Okay, so to do any measurement, the most important thing is to make sure after your scan, you press this button, freeze, to make sure the image is frozen. Okay, so you should see an F. That means the image is frozen. Now, to measure the distance, you move, measure here, and then you move this to the initial position using the ball, press enter, and then you move it to the second position, press enter. So that gives you the distance. To measure circumference, you clear that. To measure circumference, you press measure twice. 1, 2. So you see area. You move it to the initial position, enter. And then you go to a second position, press enter. Oops. Okay, enter. Okay. Okay, and then you go to a third position, enter. You have to press hard. Oops. Okay. Well, that didn't work out well, but there it is. It's a triangle. And basically, you just have to create the circumference with the enters here, and it will give you an area. To measure volume, let's clear that. Again, you press measure. This time you press once, twice, 3 times, and you see volume. You move the ball to initial starting position, press enter, and then you move it to the other side. Okay, press enter, and then you use the ball to estimate the area, and then it will give you the volume. Okay, so that's how you do the volume. To measure heart frequency, heart rate, let's unfreeze. Okay, we do clear, unfreeze. So we're doing a live scan. There's no F. You have to go to M mode. Okay, and then freeze the image again. Freeze. Measure. You go to the first peak, enter. Second peak, enter. And that's the heart rate. For obstetric measurements, let's clear. Again, the image has to be frozen. You go to calculate. Calculate. Okay, there's all these measurements. Okay, so let's say this is the crown rump length. You press enter. You go to the first position, enter. Second position, enter. And it gives you estimated age, birthday, and weight. And you can do the same thing for, again, go to calculate, crown rump length, gestational sac size, biparietal diameter is BPD, FR is femur length, abdominal circumference, head circumference. This is anterior posterior thigh diameter and anterior posterior diameter. So for each of these, you have to make the measurement for distance or for circumference, and it will automatically give you the gestational age.